Hey everyone, how's it going? Today I want to show you guys how to draw something that most people need in the morning to get going and to get to work and school, and that is a cup of coffee. So if you guys are watching this early, I hope you guys grab your cup of coffee and learn how to draw this. So I hope you follow along and enjoy this video today. Now to start off with our cup of coffee, we need to make a skinny oval shape up here. To do this, we're just going to draw a nice skinny oval shape for the very top of our lid. On each side of our oval, we want to make a little line that comes down. Right here, we'll draw a small line, and we'll also put a small line over here. The next step is to make another little curved line to connect these. You just want to make a little line that goes from one line to the next. I'm going to start right here. We want to draw a little line that curves down just a tiny bit, and another one here. The next step is to make another kind of curved, almost oval shape. So we're going to draw a line that comes down and connects to here. You can see it almost looks like another skinny oval that's a little bit hidden behind this one. Once you have that drawn, we're going to draw two lines that come down on each side. They're going to be a little bit longer for the lid. And we want to do that same thing, just connect it with a curved line. It's kind of like a really stretched out smiley face. Now, once you have that, we want to make the sides of the cup. So when I draw these, I'm going to make these come down with a straight line on each side, and you can see that they kind of come in just a little bit. Right here at the bottom, we're going to connect these with another curved line. Right here at the top, I'm going to draw a line that goes down and up. And we'll put another one right here, just to kind of show where the little grip is of the coffee, or for a little label on here. Now we want to put a little face on here. First thing I'm going to do is right here, let's add a circle for an eye. And we're going to add a little black dot in there for the pupil. Over here, we're going to make this one kind of winking. So let's draw a line that comes down and then back. Right here, I'm going to make a little smiley face shape with a line that's going to come down and up. Then we can add a little curved line for the tongue. And we can color this part in really quickly for the mouth. And there you go. There is your drawing of a little cup of coffee. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.